Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Microsoft Dynamics 365 sales process stages, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Microsoft Dynamics 365 application. Navigate to the Sales module from the main dashboard. In the Sales module, locate and click on the Opportunities option. Once in the Opportunities view, find the specific opportunity you wish to verify. Click on that opportunity to open its detailed view. In the Opportunity Detail view, you will see the current stage indicated on the main summary. Take note of the opportunity's current stage in the sales process. To verify the sales process stages, locate the Process or Business Process Flow section. This section displays the various stages associated with the opportunity. You can click through the different stages to see the activities required at each step. Review any associated notes or activities to ensure all tasks are completed for the current stage. If you need to update the stage, click on the stage name to select the next appropriate stage. After selecting, confirm your changes to update the opportunity stage. To verify that the updates are correct, check that the new stage appears in the opportunity overview. If necessary, review any documentation or resources available in the Help section for further clarification. Finalize your verification by saving any changes, if applicable. This process allows you to effectively track the sales progress within Dynamics 365. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.